I managed to kick Yoru out for now. Awesome? I can't! I'm scared! I can't do it myself after all! Could you not point that at me anymore? Damn it. Denji, please. You're planning something even worse than humanity's extinction. It's so bad, I don't even want to say it. Please! If you don't kill her right now, it'll be disastrous. Kill me. Or I'll kill you. Say what? Yoru's thinking something crazy. Beating the Death Devil won't solve anything. You serious? I'm serious! Then why are you pointing that thing at me? Because I don't have the guts to shoot myself, obviously. There was never any way I could be friends with the devil. I was an idiot to get duped. I think you could be friends. We can't! That's why I'm asking you to kill us! Are you gonna kill me, or do you want to die? Wait. Huh? Murderer! You told me to kill you! Agonize a little longer. I'm not mentally prepared. When I die, I come back to life, and I'm still never ready for it. Somebody who can only kick the bucket once could never be mentally prepared to die. A bunch of people died because of the devil inside me. I don't want anyone else to die because I can't speak up. But you're still afraid to die, right? I've got a great idea. Let's think about all that unpleasant stuff after I murderize the Death Devil. Right now, we're having fun. Only think about blasting through that. You've sure got it rough. Moving to Tokyo now of all times. In the class next door, over half the students evacuated. They've got more empty seats than students. Yet the city's pushing us to hold a school festival. It's ridiculous. Hey folks, sorry to interrupt. Got a transfer student to introduce. Alright, transfer, go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm the new transfer student. This is so sudden, but I'm here to save you guys. I'm not sure if it's okay for me to come out and say this, but I feel really, really bad for you guys.
You kids can take it from here. She's bawling her eyes out. Hey, how about you give us a hand with our school festival?
If I can save you guys with that.
Okay then, can you take those trash bags out to the incinerator for us?
Asking me to do a job anyone can do is a waste of my superior talents, though. I can save you guys with my special powers.
You don't have powers. Shouldn't you take out the trash?
Thank goodness. one less thing to worry about. Look, I don't know what your deal is, but the rest of us here are having fun working on the festival. We don't know how to handle freaks like you. You're bringing down the mood and making everyone uncomfortable.
If you really want to save us, why don't you go crush ants outside or something? Hey, if you moved to this mess of a city, you probably had some pretty horrible experiences wherever you came from, right? The kids back in the classroom are going through a lot, too. Homes getting burnt down, parents dying, all sorts of awful stuff. School's the only place where we can smile like our old selves. If you want to save us, could you lend a hand with a smile?
Unfortunately, as things are, the festival is sure to fail. Huh? But I have the power to save you guys. Through death, I'll release you from your earthly suffering.
Chainsaw Man?
Listen up!
Somebody's calling for help. With a heart that burns to right wrongs. I've come from the depths of hell, engine revved and ready.
I'll save you too.
Defeating devils with devil powers. Delivering justice with the power of justice. That's right. My name is Chainsaw Man.